Hi there. In this quick video, I'll show you how to create tasks and set up automations for tasks inside your PulseGrowth account. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, head over to the Contacts tab and then click on Tasks. Here, you'll see a full list of tasks, and you can filter them by due date, overdue, upcoming, and more. To create a new task, click Add Task. Give your task a name and a short description. Next, choose a due date. You can even set a specific time so it's marked as overdue if not completed on time. Select the contact this task is related to. This helps tie the task to the right person. Then, assign the task to the team member responsible by using the Assignee field. To manage task notifications, go to My Staff, and under your profile, click the pencil icon to edit. In the notification settings, scroll to the Task Notifications section. Here, you can set how early you want to be reminded. For example, 15 minutes before the task is due. Choose where reminders are sent: in-app, email, SMS, or all three. Don't forget to hit Save. Back in the Tasks tab, you'll find a complete overview of all tasks in your system. You can quickly search for any task by typing in a keyword, the task name, or even the name of the user it's assigned to. This makes it easy to locate and manage tasks without scrolling through the entire list. From this same view, you can mark tasks as completed once they're done, or delete tasks that are no longer relevant. This helps keep your task list clean, organized, and up to date, so nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's automate task creation. Go to the Automation tab and create a workflow from scratch. For example, let's say we want to create a task automatically when a pipeline stage changes. Add a pipeline stage changed trigger and specify the pipeline and stage. Next, click the plus button and choose Add Task. Now, name the task, write a description, assign it to a team member, and set a due date. Now, whenever that pipeline stage is updated, the system will automatically create and assign the task. And that's it. You've now learned how to create and manage tasks and how to automate them using workflows inside your PulseGrowth account. For more tips and tutorials, check out our support portal or reach out to us at connect@pulsegrowth.io.